So here you will learn how to review full detail of any trading symbol from the commission, spread, and all the information that played a crucial role to choose your lot size, managing risk, and making a smarter decision. So don't miss this episode and make sure to watch this video until the end, and let's get started.
So as we speak in the MetaTrader, one of the most important options you should check before entering any trading is specification option. So to access it, go to the Market Watch section. From there, choose the symbol you want, right click on it and select specification. A new window will open, show you all the detail about the symbol. The most important element in this specification for trader are contract size. This is essential for calculation your margin, and every trader you should be familiar with. The next key element is the spread, which is floating in the Otet markets. Other important elements include minimum volume and maximum volume. These define the smallest and largest trade size you can open for that symbol. Another very important parameter is swap. You should know that all swap in Otet market is displayed in points. As you scroll down, you will also find opening and closing time for that symbol. It's very important to remember that a symbol opening time is different from its trading hours. So make sure to check carefully to avoid any issues. These two times are displayed separately here, and you can use this information to manage your trade more efficiently. If you are not familiar with the trading terminology, we recommend watching our trading culture playlist to learn more about the terms mentioned in this video. Thank you for your watching until the end. We hope this lesson was helpful and support you in improving your trading skills. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.